Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to disable JavaScript in Google Chrome. So firstly open Chrome browser. Now guys click on these three dots, then settings. Now in here click on security and privacy. Now scroll down and click on site settings. Now scroll down and here guys you will find option JavaScript. Click on it. So you can disable JavaScript. So select this option, don't allow sites to use JavaScript. And also guys, here are some more options you can add and you can remove. So if you want to don't allow to use any specific website, so click on add and give the website name. And guys, you want to allow to use JavaScript in a specific site, so click on add. So this is a way guys you can enable and disable JavaScript in Chrome browser. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.